So sometimes we get tubular locks like this Ace 2, which are notoriously difficult to self-impression. There's a reason for that. They've got variable strength springs and it's designed to make self-impressioning tools difficult. So we often need single pin pick them, which is where this comes in. This is the little pig. I'm going to get it on the lock and pick this now. Okay, so there it is picked. And what I'm going to do now is just tighten each of these picking tips down. I'm doing this while it's between pin stacks. So now it should work like the key. There we go. And now you can use this tool as if it were the key. This is a new tool that I'm making. So pick up a pig